Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and farm the Union Build airdrop. Now Union Build is a ZK interoperability layer between EVM and Cosmos ecosystem, and farming this airdrop is pretty simple and I will be showing you all the steps involved. Now before we move on to that, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Mexi Global using my referral link in the description, which will give you 8000 USDT as sign up bonus. And as you can see, Mexi Global has the lowest buying and the selling fee. So there is no buying fee on Mexi Global right now, and the selling or the taker fee is only 0.02%. And apart from this, you can go ahead and buy more than 3000 plus different coins and tokens on Mexi Global exchange. So if you are someone who is dealing in futures, this is one of the best exchanges out there because of the lowest possible fee. Now in order to farm the Union Build airdrop, you will need to have a EVM compatible wallet. So I would recommend is going ahead and downloading a MetaMask wallet and setting it up on your Chrome browser if you don't have one. Now once you have a MetaMask wallet, you will need to head to Union dashboard and go ahead and connect your MetaMask wallet. Now I will leave all the links in the description so that it would be easy for you guys to navigate. Now once you are here on the Union dashboard, the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and connect your Twitter. So as you can see, I have already connected my alt Twitter on this, and I've also gone ahead and connected my Discord. Now there is some issue with regards to connecting the GitHub, and I think the team is working on it in order to fix this. So once this is back, you can go ahead and connect your GitHub as well. Now over here you will need to go ahead and complete this mission. So the missions are pretty simple. So there are like 4 to 5 different missions over here. And the first thing that you will need to do is you will need to go ahead and connect your wallet. So simply go ahead and click on this, and over here click on add wallet, and as you can see I have already connected my MetaMask wallet over here. And apart from this, there are different achievements which you can go ahead and complete. So currently there are 31 different achievements, and this will help you earn some additional XP. Now you will need to go ahead and level up your account on the Union Build, and I think more the level, more the airdrop you would be getting in the future. Although none of this is a financial advice, please do your own research. And Union Build has managed to raise the overall funding of around 16 million US dollars or so. And apart from this, you can also track your rewards over here, which is not active as of now. So these are some of the steps as to how you can go ahead and farm the Union Build airdrop. And this is all for this video. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.